Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to add Google search bar to home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is press and hold the screen of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And after that, okay, you can see below the wallpaper, widget, and home screen option. And okay guys, you all have to do is click widget. And now here in widget, okay, find the Google widget, okay. You can scroll to the left to find the Google widget. And okay guys, here I found the Google, and okay, you all have to do is click the Google. And now here you can see the option of the Google widget. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to add Google search bar to your home screen. And okay guys, so here I can select the Google search bar in this option. You all have to do is press and hold the widget and now select the position to your home screen. Okay? And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add Google search bar to your home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.